Whip up a delicious gut-healthy smoothie. Looking for a tasty way to support your gut health? Why not try making a gut-healthy smoothie? Packed with nutritious ingredients, this smoothie is sure to keep your tummy happy. To make this delicious smoothie, you'll need 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of spinach, fresh or frozen, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, plain, unsweetened, 1/2 cup of frozen berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of honey, optional for sweetness, 1 cup of water or almond milk. Simply add all of the ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy. This gut-healthy smoothie is loaded with beneficial nutrients like fiber, probiotics, and antioxidants. The banana provides a good source of potassium and prebiotic fiber, while the spinach adds vitamins and minerals. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help support a healthy gut microbiome. Berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, and chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and more fiber. With just a few simple ingredients, you can whip up a delicious and nutritious smoothie that will support your gut health and leave you feeling satisfied and energized. Cheers to a happy tummy. Next up, let's get moving. Regular exercise is key to losing weight and improving your overall health. Try to find activities you enjoy, whether it's going for a walk, riding your bike, or taking a dance class. The important thing is to stay active and make exercise a regular part of your routine. Finally, don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Plus, staying hydrated is important for overall health and can help you feel more energized and focused throughout the day. With these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to reaching your weight loss goals and feeling your best. So why wait? Start implementing these tips today and watch as the pounds start to melt away. Achieving glowing skin. Tips for radiant complexion. Achieving glowing skin is a common desire for many individuals. Here are some straightforward tips to help you attain that radiant complexion you've always wanted. Stay hydrated. Ensuring you drink plenty of water throughout the day is essential for maintaining skin hydration, resulting in a healthy and radiant glow. Eat healthy, consuming a well-balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, provides your skin with vital nutrients, promoting overall skin health and radiance. Cleanse regularly. Establishing a regular skincare routine that includes cleansing your face twice a day helps to remove dirt, oil, and impurities, keeping your skin fresh, clear, and free from blemishes. Moisturize daily. Applying a suitable moisturizer daily helps to lock in moisture, keeping your skin hydrated, soft, and supple, which is essential for preventing dryness and maintaining a radiant complexion. Protect from sun, shielding your skin from harmful UV rays by using sunscreen daily is crucial in preventing premature aging, sunburn, and skin damage, ultimately preserving your skin's youthful appearance and radiance. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for allowing your skin to repair and rejuvenate itself, leading to a refreshed and radiant complexion upon waking. Manage stress. Implementing stress management techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or engaging in relaxing activities helps to reduce stress levels, which can significantly impact skin health and radiance. Avoid harsh products. Opt for gentle skincare products specifically formulated for your skin type to avoid irritation and maintain a healthy and radiant complexion. By incorporating these simple yet effective tips into your skincare routine, you can achieve glowing skin and enjoy a radiant complexion. Don't miss out. Follow us for more updates. Boost your hair growth with onion and garlic. Discover the secret to accelerated hair growth with this simple recipe. Start by peeling an onion and cutting it into small pieces. Onions are powerful in treating hair loss and stimulating growth. Next, peel and chop 3 cloves of garlic. Garlic is a hair treasure, promoting growth, strength, and preventing loss. Combine the onion and garlic pieces in a container and add some olive oil. Simmer the mixture over low heat for 4 minutes. After cooking, strain the mixture to obtain your miracle solution. Apply generously to your scalp, massaging it well for 2 minutes. Leave it on for 2 hours before rinsing thoroughly. Use this recipe twice a week for impressive hair growth results. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and comment. Share it with your friends to help them achieve luscious locks too. Don't miss out. Follow us for more updates.